Is your Bluetooth device connected, but you're still not hearing any sound? You're not alone. This is a super common issue, especially with wireless earbuds, speakers, and headphones. We'll walk you through 4 simple solutions to fix this issue, so just follow my steps. The first thing which you'll want to do is to restart your device, whether that's an iPhone, an Android, or your PC or laptop. I'm quickly going to restart my phone and then reconnect to my Bluetooth device, which are these headphones in this case. So after you do restart the phone or your laptop, the other thing which you'll want to do is to restart the Bluetooth device itself. So turn off that Bluetooth speaker, the earbuds or the headphones, and then turn them back on by clicking on the power button. This step can fix the issue in a lot of cases. If this didn't work, then don't worry, because I have 3 more fixes. I'm going to open the settings on my phone, then find and open the Bluetooth settings for your device. Maybe it's a bit different if you're using your PC or Mac device, but just locate the Bluetooth settings because this is a pretty important step. You can see that I have my Bluetooth enabled or turned on. My headphones are connected, which are these JBL headphones. So our job here is to forget the Bluetooth device and then start a brand new connection. So I will tap on this little I letter next to the name of my headphones in order to open this page, which has more options related to my headphones. And you can see that I have a button called Forget Device. So let's click here. Then, Forget Device once again, and then the Bluetooth device will be totally disconnected from our phone or laptop. You will then turn off the Bluetooth switch. Make sure you turn off and then back on the Bluetooth headphones or whatever device you're using, and then connect to them like you did the first time. So I'll wait for my phone to find the headphones, then I'll tap on them because here they are, and a brand new connection was now made. Also, restart any application which you're using currently. Maybe that's YouTube, Spotify, or maybe you're playing a game and you're using the headphones. Maybe the problem was with the app itself. So restarting the app and reopening it can solve the problem and make the sound appear. If this didn't solve the problem, then you'll want to go back to the settings once again, and I will now click on this General option. Once on the General page, scroll a bit down until you see this Transfer or Reset iPhone. So this is what I'll click on. Tap on the Reset option, and now you'll want to select Reset Network Settings. Resetting network settings on your iPhone basically clears out all your saved Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth pairings, and other network-related settings. It's like giving your iPhone's connections a clean slate. If your Bluetooth device is connected but there's no sound, this can help fix any glitches or bugs in the Bluetooth system by forcing the phone to reestablish a fresh connection. However, here's the important part. After doing this, you'll have to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks manually, repair your Bluetooth devices, and reconfigure any VPNs you were using. So make sure you know your Wi-Fi passwords and are okay setting things back up. It's a bit of a hassle, but often worth it when nothing else works. So try resetting the network settings on your phone and then reconnect to your Bluetooth headphones. And check out if you have any sound coming from them. But if there's still no sound, then maybe you'll have to charge your device because the power level is too low. And that can sometimes cause the problem. So maybe your headphones have a couple of % of battery left. So it is a good idea to get your charger or your power source if it's a big Bluetooth speaker, and then plug them in for 10 to 15 minutes. Let them charge a bit, then restart them if needed, and then reconnect to your phone or computer. These steps should fix your issue and you should have your Bluetooth device up and running. But if not, then maybe you have a problem with either your Bluetooth device or your phone. Try connecting someone else's headphones to your phone and see if they work. Or try to connect your headphones to a friend's phone. If either one of them don't work, then it's probably caused by some hardware damage or something else. So you'll have to take them to a repair shop or buy new ones. If you have any questions about this whole process, then please make sure you leave them in a comment down below so we can help even more people. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone, and I will see you soon.